Hi everyone, myself Dr. Shilpa Illor. I am a senior consultant reproductive medicine at Milan Fertility, Whitefield branch, Bangalore. So today I am going to speak about one of the important topic, that is failed IVF, what went wrong. So first of all, before going to actual topic, let me tell you, for any IVF to be successful, so what all we require? A good quality embryo which is genetically normal, and a good uterus with a triple line endometrium with good blood flow to the uterus along with a receptive endometrium, and you should have a very good lab with a senior embryologist who does your ICSI, and last but not the least, your doctor should be senior and who does a good stimulation to yield a good number of eggs and does a very fine and tuned embryo transfer. So what are the factors which causes the IVF to fail? First of all, the age of the woman. It's very important. As the age increases, the quality of egg goes down. So once the woman crosses 35 years, there is a increased number of chromosomal abnormalities in the oocyte. So abnormal oocyte will lead an abnormal embryo which fails to implant, and thus IVF fails. Next, coming to the quality of the egg. So quality of the egg is very important. Because of these lifestyle changes, the quality of improved eggs have been deteriorated. So because if this abnormal eggs get fertilized, leading to abnormal embryo, thus decreases the chance of implantation and IVF fails. Next, coming to the sperm quality. Male factor infertility is one of the leading cause for IVF failure. The count of the sperms, the motility, the morphology of the sperms plays important role in getting fertilization of the egg, followed by forming a good embryo and implantation and success of the pregnancy. If there is any abnormalities in the sperms, there is a reduction in the chance of implantation and IVF fails. Next, coming to the ovarian response. Even though in some patients, after giving adequate doses of fertility drugs, we yield only few eggs. So if we get a few eggs, there is a less chance of getting few embryos and decreases our implantation rate. Now coming to the embryo quality. Even though the egg may get fertilized, but sometimes we develop a poor quality embryos. There may be chromosomal abnormalities in these embryos which fail to implant, and thus IVF failure. Now coming to the uterine factors, the implantation factor. So for an embryo to get implanted firmly into the uterus, a triple line endometrium with good blood flow is required. If there is any thin endometrium or there is an immunological factor, the embryo fails to get implanted in the endometrium, the IVF fails. Next, the endometrial receptivity. Even though the endometrium is triple line with good blood flow, sometimes the endometrium may not be ready in the receptive window to hold the embryo in place. Thus, the timing of the embryo transfer is critical and crucial for any implantation to be successful and IVF success. Next, coming to the uterine abnormalities like fibroids, adenomyosis, adhesions, polyps. These all will impair the blood flow to the uterus and thus impairs the implantations. Coming to the lifestyle changes like obesity, hypertension, diabetes, increased use of mobiles and laptops like 4G and 5G, which are electromagnetic radiations, directly or indirectly will reduce the success rate of the IVF. Smoking and alcohol also has an impact on the IVF success rates. Next, coming to the stress and unhealthy lifestyles. So stress increases the cortisol level in the body, thus impairs the implantation rate. Thus, emotional stability and psychological support is required very much during the IVF cycle. Last but not the least, unexplained infertility. Even after everything is taken care, in certain couples, there is a failure of the IVF. Thus, all these factors impair the implantation and the failure of the IVF. So stay tuned with me for the next video where I will discuss about what to be done to increase the success rate of the failed IVF. Thank you. If you have any queries, kindly message me on the chat box. Thank you.